kids! Today we're going to draw a happy, smiling sun. Let's make it bright and fun. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. Oh no, the little sun has lost its bright yellow color. Can we help it shine again? Keep watching until the end to see the happy, glowing sun. Stay until the end to see the amazing final picture. Great job, little artist. Keep watching. We're going to finish an amazing drawing together. Let's color the sun bright yellow. Ready? Color, color, color. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures.